Here we're going to see how API test automation can be used to validate the rating calculation for a personal auto insurance policy submission in Guidewire. Here we have an API test. At the start of the test, we actually input the data for the policy, the vehicles and coverages in this case. At the end of the test, we validate all the individual cost transactions that we expect. We run the test from the ID. It's quite simple in IntelliJ. And at the left, we see the test actually completed in less than a second, which is awesome. API tests are quite fast, and the HTML report is one click away. And the HTML report has something really interesting here, which is the data that came back from the server has been shown in HTML as part of the report. So you can actually see the driver details and the factors that went into the rate calculation. And we can also pick up the job number, cut and paste it into the Guidewire UI to actually see the real policy as it appears in the UI. Now let's do a data-driven test and see how that looks like. Data-driven tests are great because, like you see in this example, we can vary the cost of the vehicle and switch on comprehensive coverage or collision coverages and vary the scenarios like that. We also, for this demo, are going to change one of the expected premium values just to see the test fail. And we can see on the left, 6 scenarios ran in around 3 seconds, which is really great. And we saw that one of them has failed. Let's look at the report to see what went wrong. And we can see that one of the scenarios failed because it's highlighted in red. And we can actually go and drill down to that line that failed and see that we expected $720, but we actually got 718. And we could even troubleshoot as to why that particular rating calculation did not work as we expected.